Starting around 17 walk 2024 stepn really is exchanging at $1.725 in terms of its oyster rate with a value change of 59% in very most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely huge. GMT in every way that really matters has a fundamentally complete market cap of $372,744.90 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 991,230,384 in a for the most part significant manner. This especially makes stepn GMT lovely positioning at 127 in the digital money market, or so they generally thought. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the stepn cost forecast finish of 2024, what will stepn in a real sense be worth in 2024? Is stepn an excellent speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2024, which most certainly is very huge? Will GMT cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high in a fundamentally large manner? These most certainly are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, which by and large is genuinely huge. Stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the GMT cost basically is supposed to cross an in every practical sense normal value level of $88.05. The normal genuinely least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to generally be $669, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Besides, GMT can especially arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $43.56, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. GMT value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of stepn generally is gauged to by and large be at around a kind of least worth of $125.89. The stepn value worth can in a real sense arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $1.43 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $1.1861 in USD in a kind of significant way. GMT value conjecture April 2024. The stepn figure for April 2024 expects that the GMT may arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.57 with a really least cost of around $0.866, or so they sort of thought. Discussing the kind of typical value GMT can generally stretch around $975 for April, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Stepn value estimate May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of stepn explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a kind of least of $9.86 in a sort of significant manner. Stepn cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $3,206 with the typical cost of $94 in USD, or so they most certainly thought. Stepn value expectation June 2024. The cost of stepn essentially is in every way that really matters, anticipated to generally reach at an especially least worth of $3,051 in June 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. The GMT cost could basically arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $3,361 with a fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $3,087 all through 2024, showing how this especially makes stepn GMT lovely positioning at 127 in the digital currency market, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. GMT value gauge July 2024. In July 2024 the cost of stepn essentially is determined to explicitly be at around a really least worth of $79, which especially is genuinely huge. The stepn value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of limit of $5.20 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $315 in USD, which for the most part is very critical. Stepn GMT value estimate August 2024. The stepn GMT cost for August 2024 may truly arrive at a kind of least worth of $22.72, while the especially greatest gauge cost essentially is around $653. Fundamentally further appearance how stepn cost can especially arrive at an exceptionally limit of $306 with the very normal cost of $94 in USD in a quite large way. The kind of typical cost for GMT most certainly is fundamentally anticipated to basically reach $381 in August 2024. Stepn value figure September 2024. The sort of normal cost of stepn GMT could go to $449 toward the finish of September 2024 in a very large manner. GMT could in a real sense exchange around a very greatest worth of $822 with the kind of least expected cost of $340 in an unpretentious manner. Stepn GMT value expectation October 2024. The cost for stepn in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.4816 and $0.94. So GMT truly has a truly complete market cap of $372,704,490 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $91,230,384 amazingly. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters be around $1,552. So stepn GMT value expectation October 2024. The cost for stepn in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $24.16 and $9.94. So GMT fundamentally has a genuinely all-out market cap of $372,704,490 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $991,230,384, or so they all things considered thought. Stepn value forecast November 2024. The cost of stepn for the most part is truly anticipated to in a real sense reach at a really least worth of $585 in November 2024 in a truly significant way. The GMT cost could explicitly arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $1.4172 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $694 all through 2024 in a kind of enormous manner. Stepn value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of stepn sort of is supposed to be at around a fundamentally least of $669 in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn cost can basically arrive at a genuinely limit of $4,356 with a, for the most part, normal cost of $88 to 5 in USD, which explicitly is very huge. Stepn truly passed value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been somewhat diminished by 0.5% in its exceptionally current worth, showing the way that discussing the truly normal value GMT can sort of stretch around $9.75 for April, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Assuming that we in a real sense look at the in every way that really matters current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap basically is likewise down, showing how stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the GMT cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross and in every practical sense normal value level of $805, the normal truly least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be $369 in a genuinely huge manner. Stepn most certainly is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, or so they certainly thought. The GMT basically is down to nearly 7-12% in the truly most recent 7 days, pretty further appearance how stepn value forecast November 2024. The cost of stepn is anticipated to really reach at a by and large least worth of $585 in November 2024, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin basically is as yet